Good day, ma'am. There is the topic of traffic management. So first, traffic ecology. Ecology means how traffic affects the environment. And there's my explain. So unsaong kabalion pag manage sa traffic nga nadili makadaot sa environment, less pollution, proper road design, safe for people, animals, and nature. The next kaduha is traffic economy. So traffic economy is about how traffic affects money and business. Kung smooth ang traffic, dali dakibali ka makatrabaho, makadrive, mas least ang gastos sa fuel, good traffic, good economy. Traffic accident and traffic investigation. So, kinds of traffic accidents. Different type of accidents. Conclusion about mag-abot sa Vilnius na muuyog nga sakyanan, baliw mag-uyog na sakyanan. Residential accident, masingit ang tao, musingit kibalin tao sa side sweep, mag-abot magamay sa kilid. Then ikaduha, road traffic and virtual collisions. Road traffic collisions is when two or more vehicles or virtual plus person object bali magkonyon siya magbangga. Then explain niyo is kabalingan na is accident na nag-involve og sakyanan sa agihan. Katulo is chain of events in a vehicular accident. That means the sequence sa nahitabo. For example, driver busy sa cellphone, like yay mo tawag. Kaduha, wala kabali mapansin. Then pagtulo is nakaigo sa motor. The chance help investigators know unsa gayud ang road cause. Then kaupat, clarification of motor virtual traffic accident. Accident are clarified based on property damage only, non-fatal injury, fatal accident, minor or major conclusion. Number 5, accident investigation. Accident investigation means pagkulik og evidence, pictures, then witness, measurements, goal, kibali makasabot, kibali hinungdan og unoy kinsay responsibly. Then defensive driving, blue baggage checklist. Before driving, check your blanche balen imo kibali kuan sa sakyanan yon mudan nga di sa imo sa yan para dili ka lang kung once na magdisgrasya ka yaya ka kuan sa imo. Brake light or oil, water, battery or gas agentry, self kung ikaw ba sa imo kalgalingon na ready ka. Duha, factors affecting driver behavior. This affect how the driver acts, stress, lack of sleep. Kibalingan ha sa factors affecting driver behavior, bali imo effect yun sa imo na pag-drive. Kibali stress, lack of sleep, alcohol, emotional, then weather. Katulo, decline of last clear chance. If you are the last person who can avoid the accident, ibali ikaw ang level even if the other driver na mali. If ikaw may last chance to na mag-stop, you are responsibly. Then state of necessity principle. This is when a driver breaks a rule to avoid bigger danger. Example nga na is driver na likay ka bali sa kalit ng mga bata, bali kung mag-drive ko, kung yung bata namin labay, as a driver sa kalit ka na kaigo og poste. Das maybe not because gihimo niya to avoid a worse accident, para dili ka kay bali ko niya bata na mo kuan, gibali nga to da kanimo gibangga sa poste para di ko makakuha ng aksidente na bata. If you want, I could turn this into a dito. That's my kuan, ma'am. Thank you.